Our journey with Screen began back in 2011 when invested in our first Truepress JET 520 ZZ press. At that time, we were looking for a reliable partner who could help us transition from analog solutions into the world of high-speed digital inkjet. Screen stood out because of the robustness of their Japanese technology and the trust we quickly built with their team. That was the beginning of a long-term relationship that has grown as we continuously expanded our inkjet print with Screen.
Since that first installation, we established an open and transparent relationship with Screen, and we immediately saw the potential of their technology to meet our quality and productivity requirements. What impressed us most was the combination of high reliability, excellent print quality, and a strong commitment from Screen to support their customers, which set the foundation for the partnership that continues to this day. We are focused on the direct mailing and transactional mail markets, which are both still in high demand here in Italy. That's why we thought now is the time to expand our production. We knew we wanted our next investment to be digital presses. We could rely on Screen's equipment, as the original presses were still running reliably after more than a decade. Our team at Leaderform decided to install a Truepress JET 520 HD Plus and their new Truepress JET 520 NX AD. The Truepress JET 520 HD Plus impressed us with its ability to deliver exceptional quality on affordable coated offset papers without primer. This unique capability is reinforced by its 1200 dpi resolution and a wide color gamut. The Truepress JET 520 NX AD, evaluated soon after its 2025 market launch, convinced us with its productivity, ease of operation, inspection capabilities, and balance between print quality and cost effectiveness, with print speeds up to 125 meters per minute. The higher speeds are very exciting. We can improve our turnaround times for transactional and direct mailing, where on-time delivery is essential, while still having full variable data printing. Beyond the equipment, the new Screen presses are increasing both operational efficiency and production flexibility, supporting Leaderform's long-term success. Looking forward, we are exploring how the new inkjet presses can help us enter new markets. For instance, by combining the high speeds, excellent print quality, and variable data capabilities, we can deliver highly personalized, data-driven, multi-channel marketing and transactional communications in printing, digital, and more. With these new investments, Leaderform is ready to consolidate its leadership in personalized direct mail and transactional communications.
We are confident that Screen, inkjet, speed, quality, and tailored solutions will continue to be key drivers of our growth into the future.